On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What is up? Not today, Atari. Minitruck! What's up, Minitruck? Minitruck! It's your turn, girl. Let's see how you do. Gotta drop some corn.
What? I didn't have any corn.
I'm back in the saddle again. Minitruck saddle again. We're not baiting.
Go away, baiting!
But we're not baiting. A little low. I bet you these tires fit on that van better. I'm gonna have to try one. Alright, we're ready now. Alright, you're a little tougher. You're a lot tougher. You got a locking rear axle, you got high and low diff. You are one tough gal. You got a dump bed. These tires aren't that loud anymore, right? A lot quieter than I remember. That little pulley, when I was using that for a tensioner, definitely gave more traction on the belts, I can notice. Oh, tumbleweed. What the heck was that? We don't have tumbleweed here. I do like that van, but I love this Minitruck. I'm not 100% sold on the van. I mean, I like it, but I have to justify a reason to keep it. Minitruck, on the other hand, I can never get rid of Minitruck, ever. If someone offered me the right price for the van, it'd be gone. I gotta admit, I wish I got a lower model van with the flip seats that would fold totally flat, high and low range, without all the skirting and stuff. That van is perfect for someone who wants to commute and really not plan on doing much off-road. I'm not that type of guy. So, you never know if something pops up. If a dealer comes up with something that get a pretty good deal for me, I may be buying another van, and that one may be going up for sale. Just so you guys know first. Maybe something with the tack after all. That bouncing needle. Woo! Look at this big turkey. Boy, he's a big guy. Gobble, gobble. There's some others over there, too. Good thing it's not a high traffic road, eh? Minitruck never gets stuck. Ah, these roads are horrible. Bye-bye, Tesla. Tesla don't want none. Driving erratic. I gotta get ahead of these people. Mini trucks in a hurry. Parents are moving to Florida, boys. Couple more days and they're gone.
A few moments later.
What a ripple! Food.
I know, that's my frozen.
This is
after we dump her stuff.
Yeah. These actually go over there. So is all that bulky stuff in the back of her car.
Over by bulky?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you got room to swing out of here if you want to shoot over there.
Yeah, I should be able to. You want it in there?
There's actually a container back there. We're gonna take.
Oh, okay.
You're good right here.
Good? Minitruck did it again. Yeah, buddy. Stay on your side. Back home, Minnie. Did an awesome job. Look at all these gas containers my dad got me. My dad's giving me. Full of gas. Can't refuse that. No, sir. Liquid gold nowadays. Liquid gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2.5 gallon tanks. Thanks again, Minnie. We got to do some metal dump runs. Got a lot of work planned out for you, so you won't be lonely, that's for sure. You're still my favorite.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.